This is a quick review of the PS5 PlayStation 5 Media Remote that you will have to purchase separately. This remote can do everything that you need to control your media on your PlayStation, akin to something like a Fire Stick or a Google TV. It works in that same regard. You can turn on your TV with this button too. And if you click the PlayStation button, it will turn on your PlayStation 5. Now you can hear my PlayStation turning on. And the functions on this remote are very intuitive to use. You have your cursor, your select button, your back button, your options button, which is on the PS5 controller. Fast forward, go back, volume, TV, mute, microphone, your hot buttons for your media, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Disney Plus. And here you can see me scrolling through all the medias with the buttons. And if you click one of the hot buttons, it will open it up. For example, Spotify is one of them. And as you can see on my PlayStation 5, I don't have Spotify, so it's not going to work. But if you download the app, it would work. So let's try Disney Plus. And Disney Plus is here. This remote is just so easy to use when you don't want to lug around the controller to just access your media. Now, obviously, you can't use this to play games, but if you're playing games and you want to go back to watching media and just chill, this just does the job for you. It's very easy to use and very lightweight. There's a nub on the back that you click to open the cover to access your batteries. It uses two AA batteries that, from what I've experienced, I need to change once every 6 months or even less than that. It's been very reliable. I dropped this many times. Not much scuffing on the back. It's been very durable and no problems with this remote at all. This is an awesome accessory to have for your PlayStation 5 as it can make navigating so much easier and make enjoying media a breeze.